Our group is called The Best, and my name is Leandro. In this video, we are going to talk about General Motors and the global challenge, which is energy. Now I hand on to Tom, who is going to be
the multinational automobile corporation manufacturer founded in 1908 in the USA. General Motors was the largest vehicles manufacturer during the period between 1920 and 2007. Because in 1920 General Motors surpassed the Ford Motors Company, and in 2007 Toyota pushed General Motors into the second place. As of 2008, General Motors employed around 260,000 people in 35 countries where it manufactured its vehicles under 13 brands. And now I'm going to introduce my colleague Thomas, who's going to talk about the global effects of General Motors.
Financial turmoil, including a $38.7 billion loss in 2007. General Motors is facing a lot of cash flow problems and other challenges, including switching to alternative energy sources. The Energy Information Administration estimated that oil will be fully depleted anywhere between 2028 to 2070, with the biggest probability between 2036 to 2050, meaning General Motors will have to manufacture new vehicles that must use alternative energy sources other than oil products. General Motors is already developing these essentials and green-friendly cars. And about this sphere, Rochelle and Trudy will talk more.
One of them is electric cars. They work by using batteries, usually nickel metal hydride or lithium ion. They charge by connecting the vehicle to main power supply. One of the most modern electric cars is their regenerative braking system, which allows the battery to be topped up when the brakes are applied. These cars are usually smaller with 2 seats and therefore will be lighter. And now my friend Trudy is going to talk about more examples of GM Motors vehicles.
Hydrogen fuel cars. The technology is still being developed and is currently expensive. The main problem is that hydrogen cannot be produced efficiently enough to be viable as an alternative fuel. Biodiesel is produced from renewable energy sources, such as sunflower or soybean oil. It can be, in some instances, a direct replacement for diesel. However, manufacturers remain cautious about engine wear and recommend a blend of between 5% to 30% biodiesel.
Nowadays, there are lots of companies which face similar challenges as General Motors. Technologies such as electrical, hydrogen fuel, and biodiesel cars are currently in the process of being developed. There are plenty of ways in which General Motors could cope with the challenges they face. The most efficient way would be to use the aforementioned technologies, even though they might be expensive and only profitable in a long-term scale.
Okay, this is the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Goodbye.
Goodbye.